In the previous video, you learned how to set up the scanning parameters on the left. The next step is to press the done button or hit enter. Now you can see that the image is getting brighter and you have to show an empty part of the slide to the camera. This is to allow the software to estimate the background shading and to compensate for that. You move out of this sample and move back. Now the sample looks like it should look, and the next step is to press enter to start scanning. Now the border is turning green and you can scan the slide by moving it. To scan the slide, you try to acquire overlapping stripes. For example, I'm trying to scan horizontal stripes that are overlapping for at least 2 or 3 of these columns of tiles. On top of the live camera image, there is a focus indicator, and when you change the focus, for example, I defocus the slide, the focus indicator value decreases. So that's a good means to find out if the slide is in focus at this position. If you find out that you're scanning unsharp images like that, I'm scanning unsharp images now. So here you have unsharp images. Now I have a sharp image again and I can move back and replace the unsharp images with sharp ones. So at every time you're able to move back to the last position and replace the image with a new one. If you want to have more overview, you can zoom out by hitting the F5 button or zooming in by hitting the F6 button. The background is gray, the area where you didn't scan. This area will become the same white as the background here. In the upper right edge of the image, you can see that there is a mini-map, an overview map of what you've already scanned and where the live camera is. If you're moving too fast, or if there is not enough image information, the scanner might lose track. I simulate that by accelerating very fast. Okay, now the border turns red and the instruction says that the scanner lost track and I have to move back to the last position. So I'm slowly moving back. Okay, great. And now it is on track again. So that's basically what manual scanning looks like. When the scan is finished, you can save it by pressing F7, and now I can save this scan. Test scan for demonstration. You can save the scan as tiled TIFF file, or you can save it as SVS file. For compatibility, sometimes SVS is better. Okay, thanks for watching.